great Tesla winning video coming right out. Stay tuned.
Power Target Trades, Power Trigger Trade.
All right, so on November 15th, as you can see here, I posted a plan for Tesla. Tesla is at a key pivot via the rules. So basically, before I go into this, basically what I did is I got us in between 1001 and 1008 via some key rules. So we caught a 100-point swing with two plans, just because of how it went up choppily. But we did really great. I'm going to show you the two calls we were in. The November 19, we started with November 19, 1,100 calls, and then the November 26, 1,200 calls. So let's get into the video right now. All right then. So Tesla is at a key pivot point. We can look to go into today as Tesla is a special case. If we get the right action, the buy stops could be set at 580 for the November 19, 1,100 calls. For now, a 11 a.m. update. So I posted this at 11 a.m. So let's click onto this. And let's see what this says. I'm going to open this up here. Tesla, we will look to buy into Tesla on a break of 103. With the November 19, 1,100 calls as special trade via the rules. So again, this is special techniques, okay, that I identify over years of experience. Most people don't have this experience. Most people are guessing and assuming this is going to, they don't have a clue. But PowerTriggerTrade, grinding year after year after years of skill. 2 wins, it was very difficult to win. People are not sure what's going on. Elon selling shares. We listen. I understand the market. Too much skill. Too much. All right then. You can see in the circle. This was based on 1052. So those options they cost around around $300 per option. Okay. And Tesla, you can see, was at $991 when I posted this chart. Comprende. Pay attention if you're serious for success. What did you do with Tesla? Did you make any money? Or are you watching hemming and hawing? 5 wins within 3 weeks, Tesla trade. Also check out my YouTube channel at the end of this video. Let's get back into it. All right then. Here's the update. Tesla, here's an update for the November 19, 1,100 calls in case we get. So again, 580 should remain at 580. Then I moved them at 5. Now, basically, and that was a 1:32 p.m. update. Now, in theory, I had to move the stops a little bit lower, but this happened really quickly. As you know, it popped over. So we ended up paying at $500 per option as Tesla was in the 1,800 area. All right then. So we paid more. But I put a plan in our mind with buy stops to catch and win. Now we actually were almost up 100% within 30 minutes, but then it pulled back and then we had to get the gains for November. I'll show you. So anyways, here it is. Tesla moving fast. At 2:47 p.m. Options are now at 6:30. They're at 9, 302.05. PowerTriggerTrade, as you can see. Pause. Look with your eyes. All step by step. What did you do? Ask yourself this question. My channel, years of winning videos in classic PowerTriggerTrade format. All step by step. Do your study. Do your due diligence. PowerTriggerTrade. All right then. We were going to look to bank, because that's what I try to always do, is at 100%. We bank half of our position, but we couldn't get it. It didn't happen. We would have banked 100% on this day had we got a better price on the options. We should have paid about $420 per option. All right then. So let's go into November 16th. That's a good sign as we trade over 1,000. Okay, So I explained everything. Okay, you can press pause and take a look here. Okay, Tesla, looking good. We will look to bank 100% gains today with our November 19, 1,100 calls We should be able to do so today. Easy, as Tesla is over 1028 already at 9:36 a.m. Okay? Okay, so here, Tesla, based on the action today, we should be able to test 1055 today. But even 1070 is possible at 1008 update. Now, our calls actually did a lot better. I'm going to show you, and that's why I had another plan. So here, sold 50% at 10. For the November 19, 1,100 calls, it's only 10:15 a.m. So by 10:15 a.m., we banked 100% gains, and then we put our stops on our runners. We ended up getting stopped out on the runners. Here, as you can see, we can now play stops at 540 and 1040, and we ended up getting stopped out. Tesla stopped out on the runners, but that's okay. We will have another plan for this as soon as possible. The problem is the time and how. Anyways, long story short, people, on to the next Tesla plan. We banked 100% gains. We got stopped out for a little bit for small profits on the runners this time. All right, so November 17th, Tesla, what can I say? My reversal call, because we were going up, got us in early, because we were in Tesla in the 1,000 area, okay, low 1,000 area, right? So then I made a new plan, and again, we went back to back. Nothing as great as other Tesla plans, but you know, it was a 100-point swing, and it was very choppy, but we won on both plans. Double whammy win for this week in Tesla. All right, so then. So I said we need to break above 1085, but I will post. So basically, that's what happened, okay? So let's see what I said here. Okay, so Tesla. Buy stops can be set at 9, and we got in at 920, okay? And basically what happened is I said, people, I suggest we sell 50% at 13 to 14 today. And I sold 50% at 13 and got stopped out on the runners at 11. Now these options did a lot better. We're going to go to the charts, okay? So actually it was about, when you look at the runners, we got 2 points on the runners, and another is about, when you look at the two plans, we did about 11 points for the two plans. So $1,100 per option. So what that means is, let's say you traded, for example, like myself, 12 calls, okay? We banked about 11 on the first and 50% on both, right? And then plus got stopped out. So for 6 of the options, I made about $6K within 2 days, just trading Tesla. That's only on 6. That's only on 12 calls, which is what I did for me. Now, if someone did 4, you do the math on 4, okay? But this was not easy to do, and we did catch this. We did really good, I think. Before we get into the charts, look at some of the gifts of the people who constantly grind with skill and win in my group. Here, November 17th, sent David here, 479. Sandro, thanks for leading the group to 2 powerful Tesla wins. In an unpredictable market, your consistent skills, plans, and guidance keeps us focused, makes all the difference. Now, alone, we've been doing great for the past 3 weeks. I got about 1.5K in gifts from David. Again, those who grind with skill, you can see David littered all over my YouTube channel. You'll see him a lot. His name is Wing for his pick. His name is Wing, but David is a Canadian name. Bruce, again, now Bruce is a superstar, right? You're going to see his name. Keep in mind of the names, right? Keep the grind with skill. They love making money, dollar bills. They said, listen, my group is free. I want my members to make money and grind with me. It's a partnership. Those who get it, very few do. Make no money, They're clowns that go bankrupt in the market anyways. You can't succeed in my group. You can't follow the rules, and you can't succeed in my group, well, you won't make money. Bruce, another star in the group, grinding with skill, who I consider a great fan as well, has sent another great gift, about 2K so far from Bruce. This is nothing from Bruce, okay? This was our wins have been okay, but they're consistent. But he was able to send me 2K in gifts. Let's click on here, 600. Another great series of plans and guidance from Tesla, Master, and AMD. You rock, Sandro. $600. PowerTriggerTrade. Right, Eric also sent a gift. About 3 also this month alone. About 1.2K in gifts. He didn't write a note, but he sent about $403. That was for the Tesla wins. And Fernando here sent a gift, $200, cruising it with Sandro and his Tesla plans. We went through a rough patch, but now we are back in business, looking forward to a great future. Thanks, big guy. He's referring to maybe, a few months ago. But we've been killing it week after week after week after week. Starting with Costco. About, let's say, 10 back-to-back win plans. All right, so we're going to look at the November 19 1,100 calls. On Monday, you see the open was 10.10, high 11.13, 11.36, low 250. Okay, so we got in, and then the close was 570. So on Monday, we were practically a little bit in profits. Then on Tuesday, those options, they open at 420, high 1142, low 385, and close $800. Okay. Of course, we got stopped out, but they ended up going to $3,500 per option. But we weren't in these anymore. We were in the 1,200 calls. Give me 1 second. All right, so these are the 1,200 calls, okay? And we got in on, yes, we got in on Wednesday. Open was $695, okay? We paid $920. High $17.55, right? We sold. Remember, we sold 50% at 13, and then we got stopped out at 11. But these ended up going as high as $17.55. So we didn't catch the max possible gains, but we were massively correct. The big picture, but we did the best we could via the rules, right? Great wins in Tesla. I can't complain. I can't complain. Neither can those who grind with skill with me. PowerTriggerTrade. So again, look at the arrow points. It shows you everything, right? So these are the November, and you can look at that for the other part too, for the November 19. Same thing. Look at the arrow. Now, today, I mean, these options hit a high of $12.95. Again, these didn't go anywhere because, of course, Tesla's down today, November 18th. Well, I'm making this video around 2:24 as the market is trading. All right then. But a great win for us in Tesla this week. PowerTriggerTrade, classic PowerTriggerTrade style. 5 wins within 3 weeks in Tesla. Check out the videos. All right, welcome to PowerTriggerTrade Confirmation is Key. Listen, if you're serious for success and want to be led by a true leader, I suggest you click over here on the How to Become a Member. Remember, my group is free. This is a partnership. You want to grind with skill with me, You want to be serious for success, you want to make money, but you're not doing as well as you should or can do, come into my group. People only send me money because they make money. This group is free. You can do whatever you want, but I assure you, if you grind with skill, with the big picture leader, you're going to always make more money. Click this link here, brings you to my YouTube channel. Study the videos, study the creative playlist. Take the time to understand what I'm about. I tell it how it is. I don't sugarcoat nothing. Most people are going to fail F. I have tons of experience. But I know if you are serious and if you do want to follow instructions from a person with 28 years experience in the market and you want to make money, most people are going to lose in the market. They don't have the mental capacity or know how to plan or to do anything. I do it all. All you have to do is be able to follow instructions, take action. And that a lot of people can't do. That's why I tell people to study. Study the videos. Study the facts. Look over the charts. Then you have faith in what I'm trying. Come to my group. I'm going to help you succeed. Don't forget to, you're going to see this icon over here in the video. Click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe.